The Indian economy, a powerhouse of growth and influence, has a significant impact on the world stage. In this video, we will explore how the Indian economy affects the global landscape, shaping industries, trade, and the lives of billions. India is now fifth largest economy of the world, and population of over 1.3 billion people. India's domestic market is a colossal force. As one of the world's largest consumer markets, India attracts businesses from across the globe, eager to tap into the vast opportunities it presents.
India's strategic location and well-developed ports have made it a crucial player in global trade. As an export-oriented economy, it supplies a wide range of goods and services to countries worldwide, making it an essential link in the global supply chain.
The Indian IT industry, known for its skilled workforce and cost competitiveness, has transformed the way the world does business. Indian companies play a vital role in providing outsourcing services, software development, and technological solutions to companies worldwide.
India's commitment to renewable energy has a far-reaching impact on the global effort to combat climate change. As a major producer and consumer of renewable energy, India's policies and advancements inspire other nations to follow suit in adopting cleaner energy solutions.
Agriculture remains the backbone of India's economy. Indian 47% land is perfect for agriculture. As one of the world's largest producers of food, Indian agriculture influences global food prices and food security. Recently, we see the example when India banned a rice export, when in the all-of-world rice price high, because India export 40% of world rice. Like this, changes in Indian agricultural policies can have ripple effects on international trade and market dynamics.
India's burgeoning startup ecosystem fosters innovation and entrepreneurship. With a pool of talented minds and growing investment opportunities, Indian startups are disruptors in various sectors, influencing global trends and attracting international investments.
India's rapid urbanization drives demand for construction materials, urban infrastructure, and innovative technologies. Global businesses that cater to India's urban development also benefit from its expanding urban landscape.
The Indian stock market's performance affects investors worldwide. As one of the top emerging markets, its ups and downs can impact global investment flows and economic sentiment.
India's rich cultural heritage and diverse traditions make it a magnet for tourism. Its tourism industry, in turn, boosts local economies, fosters cultural exchange, and creates employment opportunities.
In conclusion, the Indian economy is more than just a national force, it's a global influencer. Its growth, innovations, and market dynamics affect businesses, industries, and people worldwide. As India continues to evolve, its economic impact on the world will only grow stronger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned for more insights into the global economy. Until next time.